Oh yes, boys, yes, we are fucking back again, and we are doing Rival Sons Look Away. And that's all I really know, no idea what to expect. I know it's a new song from this band, and that they are a band. You know, not a rubber band, but an actual musical band. So they're probably playing music here, so let's just jump into it, boys. Let's just see how we go. And it's that simple, let's just fucking go! Wow! I like that sort of background distortion. This guitar here seems almost like Anatolian or Middle Eastern with, I don't know, the tone maybe or the scales, I don't know. That's such a sick guitar tone, man.
You watch the incision on your very own children on your television. In your own reflection, you deny the protection of your own infection.
His voice is so fucking good, man.
Can hear you calling me. I recognize your voice. Saying, don't look away. I won't look away. I won't look away. You watch the distribution.
Yeah, boys, this is sick.
Confusion.
Everything about this instrumentally and vocally is perfect so far, boys.
Find your inclusion.
I love the drums as well, man.
Instead of thinking you're the solution. I can hear you calling me. I recognize your voice. Saying don't look away. I won't look away. I won't look away.
Is it a little like Pearl Jam, maybe, or I don't know, hey.
If it's someone else's problem, somebody else's pain.
Again, the drumming. Love this little guitar lead as well, hey. Yeah. Doggy's looking like he's had some free drinks. Maybe a couple too many. Yeah, this little part of the vocals here reminds me of Isaac Eddie from Pearl Jam. Fucking sick guitar tones all the way through that. Fucking sick everything, to be honest. That was just Sick City, boys. But nah, boys, I fucking loved that. That was just fun as fuck in pretty much every way imaginable. I loved the guitar tone. I loved just the guitar fucking riffs themselves. They just fit into that tempo so well, and you know, the tempo itself was just a nice, easygoing, just bobbing fucking beat, almost like stoner rock, and just gave the fucking guitar here so much room to let each chord and each note just to ring out, and just so much room to breathe. You know, I wasn't suffocating the tempo. And the vocalist as well, I did mention he reminded me of bloody not Eddie Van Halen, but Eddie whatever the fuck his name is from Pearl Jam, or you know, something even older than that. It definitely had that sort of blues rock feel that you might have gotten from the early 70s, or maybe even just stoner rock, you know, from the late 90s, I don't know. But definitely loved the guitar tones here, definitely loved just the feeling to it. It just, again, was just so easy to like, because you could just lay back in that tempo and just meld yourself with the song. And definitely couldn't look away from the bloody album art as well. I liked how it was animated, actually. And it seems like the dog was a bit monted, and yeah, but a nice little bed of bushes and shit. And by the time it came to that last chorus, I was just hooked in, you know, all the way through. So too easy, boys. I'll just catch you lads in the next one. It's that simple. Just have a fucking good one. And that's it, boys. If you want to support me, you can buy my book, of course. And that's it. Wow! Wow!